Oh my gosh, it's my first ever YouTube video, my first ever vlog. I want to like post as much as possible of like what I do during the day. But anyway, let's just start this off. So it's the 2nd of November and I woke up around 9:30ish. I was supposed to wake up earlier, but it just didn't happen. So I usually wake up and I do my bed straight away because I can't stand having a messy bed. That's one thing about me. I just can't stand it. It just irritates me. But yeah, so I'm just doing my bed. So I then started reading. I wanted to go over these books. I've read them before, but I just wanted to kind of go over the goals part section of one of the books, just to help me like write some new goals and so I know what I'm working towards the next couple of weeks. But yeah, that's still in like the process of me trying to figure out what I want to do. But you know, it's gonna work out inshallah. Just gotta be patient in that. But yeah, so I was actually doing it the morning, and then after that I decided to do some exercise. I put on my trainers. So usually my workout routine just consists of me just running on the treadmill for about 20 minutes, and then I would do some core workout or do some stretches. I'd also do some weights as well, just to help like strengthen my muscles. That's like the main goal. I want to just become a bit more stronger. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just taking my shoes off. After that I got ready. I decided to wear my abaya today. I put on my scarf, but then to be honest later on I took it off because I don't always wear my scarf in the house, obviously. Sometimes we don't, surprisingly, we don't shower with our scarves on. Anyway, so then I had to make some roast vegetables. My dad asked me to make them in the morning, so I had to like fit it into my day. But yeah, so I started off just peeling the vegetables. I put some sweet potato, carrots. You can see that there's red onions and pepper. Here's a little fast forward motion for you. And yeah, so you just have to cut all the vegetables and make sure and then put them in a tray. So I thought I'd show you how I cut my vegetables. I just literally cut them into cubes. So as you can see here, they're kind of hard to chop. I was struggling a bit, not gonna lie. So I started off obviously cutting the sweet potato. You can see I accidentally may have hurt my finger, but don't worry, I was okay. I don't know why I'm like examining it so much, but had to make sure that my fingers didn't get chopped off. I only have around 10 fingers. Actually, it's 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. Okay, bad joke. So as you can see, I'm just literally cutting all the vegetables, and you want to then put them into a tray here before you start adding the seasonings, obviously.
Oh, my eye.
Okay, so you also want to add some peppers. I done like the julienne cut. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. To cut the peppers, obviously, and you then add them to your tray. Okay, so then you add two like bulbs, like whole garlic, into the tray. I peeled them individually and then just added it into the tray with all the vegetables, and I mixed it thoroughly. In just a moment I'll show you. Okay, so what you want to do next is add all the spices. You know what's funny? This is turning into more of a cooking YouTube rather than a vlog, but this was my day. So you want to add the salt. I added pink Himalayan salt, and you just spread that around over your vegetables. Add some black pepper. We also added some like dried herbs and some cumin beforehand, which I forgot to show unfortunately, but you add some red pepper flakes as well. Sprinkle that. Obviously don't add too much, otherwise it's going to be a little bit too spicy. And yeah, so you can see me just sprinkling around. I was trying to be too careful because I didn't want to do it too hard, and that's it, you have a whole lump of chili flakes. And then drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, and just make sure you do that quite generously. And you then want to start mixing it with your hands, which I'm going to show you soon. Okay, but just before that, I'm going to show you the part where I add the dried herbs. Obviously, like I said, I added some beforehand, but I'm adding a little bit more. I thought I didn't add this clip, but clearly I did. So lucky for you guys. And I think I'm going to start mixing up. Like you can see me preparing my hands, putting my sleeves up, showing the hand action. And you really just want to get in there and just mix it all together. Obviously, wash your hands beforehand. You know, I'm pretty sure you guys all know this, considering the last year we've had the pandemic, and that was the main thing that was taught to us: wash your hands for 20 seconds. Anyway, I'm blabbing on. Just keep mixing. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a coat, it's because it's cold, and plus I couldn't be bothered to go upstairs and get my hijab on and stuff, and this was the closest thing I had to me, and it's comfortable and it's warm and it does the job. Okay, so this is another step that you want to do, and that is adding the coriander. I found this in my fridge. We just had some leftover, and you want to take it out and obviously start chopping it up quite finely. Okay, so you want to add your chopped coriander on top of the vegetables and mix with your hands like this, as you can see. And I set the oven at around around 200 degrees Celsius. So this was left in the oven for around 40 minutes. I initially set it at 200 degrees, but I had to lower the temperature 180 and let it fully cook throughout. I wanted to show you this cool thing that I got. It's actually it's a vintage sewing machine, and I'm actually planning to sell it. So if anyone's interested, DM me, and I'll let you know the price and everything. But yeah, it's a really cool like old vintage sewing machine, and I think it's from the 50s. I've no clue, but it just looks like it from like the instruction manual and like the dresses that they were showing and stuff. So I just had to take it out, and I was just taking pictures up on it because I'm gonna be selling it. And like I said, I was just looking at it, figuring out what it was. It was quite dusty and stuff, and I was just setting it out on my room floor to start taking some lovely cool pictures of them. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna just wrap it up here. This was very fun to do. It's quite hard work editing an actual long video. It's not like TikTok where like it takes literally around maximum maybe 15 minutes to make. I'm pretty sure this took me an hour. Anyway, I didn't record the rest of the day, but I just did some washing up. I then went upstairs and on my phone obviously started editing the video, and then I'm planning to now get ready for bed because it's actually quite late and I should be sleeping. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I can't believe I would ever say those words, but please do. Yeah, and that's a wrap. Bye.